your ears and your eyes and that. And I'm gonna say it once again. The only difference between us and them police officers and lawmakers and all that is that they got a clean record. You feel me? They criminals with clean records. Everybody just ain't got caught. You feel me? Everybody just ain't got caught. It's a new age though. Excuse me. But everything is what it is and it's all real. And you're gonna get every bit of real on Bishop TV, man. Bishop TV. We gonna try to push this thing until it's just out there. Networked, incorporated, syndicated. We're gonna get our due. And we're gonna take it to the top with Bishop TV. You feel me? We're gonna start off with everyday life that's going on around here, and we're gonna format it and structure it, and we're gonna get it into specifics and generalizations, and we're gonna push it to society and show them our version. You feel me? Because there's no networks and no big TV stations on the West Coast. You feel me? There is nothing really out here. You feel me? So we gotta create something from nothing. You know what I mean? And I wanna be the one that bring y'all there. I wanna be a pioneer in that movement. You know what I mean? Yeah, I do raps and I do all the thugging.